So today, we're going to be airing up the tire on this 2023 Ford Maverick. First thing I want you to do when you're near the vehicle is come around here, open your driver's side door, and pay attention to this sticker, because this sticker is going to tell you what the factory air pressure should be on all of your tires. So since this is a Maverick, you can actually find your port located right here. So all you have to do is plug it in, and then you're good to go. So we're going to come back around here to this front tire. All right, so now we're going to come down to this tire right here. We're going to undo this little knob right here to access the gauge. We're going to get the connector that I talked about previously. Undo it. And then you're going to want to screw it in a clockwise fashion onto the thread. You're going to hear some air come out, and that's how you know that it's engaged, and just keep going until you stop hearing air. All right, perfect. Now, if your tire is flat or you got a leak, you want to look at the compressor and make sure that this is on the repair side. So we're going to turn this knob, and now whenever we turn it on, it's going to start flooding Fix-A-Flat into the tire. Now right now we can see that it has 30 psi, but we checked the sticker and it needs to have 35. So I have it in air right now. We're going to go and turn it on. Now this can take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes depending on how low your tires are, but we're just going to watch this gauge. You can see that the gauge is right between 30 and 40. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off, and we're going to make sure the needle stays right in the same area. Now, one thing I would like to note, if you have it in repair mode, it is normal for the needle to go farther past that and then settle back down over the course of that 10 to 15 minute period. But since we just put air for now, it's going to stay right around there. Make sure it's off. You're going to unscrew counterclockwise. So again, you're going to hear a little air, but it'll stop momentarily. You got that. Put the nib back on. Now that we've used Ford's Fix-A-Flat and air compressor, I do want to point out a few key important issues. If you've got a puncture in the sidewall of your tire, this is not designed for that. It's only designed for small leaks. You would need to contact Ford Roadside Assistance through the Ford Pass app. And once you have done your repair, it's extremely important to get in your car and drive about 4 miles for the system to reset. If you're still losing air after that period, again, pull over immediately, contact Ford Roadside Assistance through your Ford Pass app so somebody can come out and help you. Thanks again, guys.